About this item: double compartments and durable. Electronic organizer travel case is made of durable, water-resistant, and scratch-resistant nylon fabric and double layers design. Enough space to hold all your electronic accessories such as cables, chargers, power banks, phones, USB drives, iPad mini, Fire tablet, Kindle and other tech gadgets. Portable and large capacity. This travel cord organizer dimension is 9.8 x 6.9 x 1 inch, LXWXH, and the inside measurement flat without any stretching is around 9.3 x 6.3, weighs 6.6 ounces, including 2 zippered mesh pockets of different size, 6 mesh pouches. Elastic loops make it an excellent travel cord organizer and travel cable organizer, ideal for travel. The cable organizer bag can be wiped easily, is lightweight, and the medium size fits perfectly in your briefcase or luggage without taking up many spaces. A great tech organizer travel case for business trips and daily use. If you are looking for cool tech gifts either for men, women, or even teens, this gadget will be your best choice. Extra accessories. 5 PCS reusable bonus cable ties can prevent cables get tangled. Make your travel case for chargers and cords tidy and the items in the travel organizer bag easy to be found. No include cords, electronic accessories, multi-usage. Most versatile organization system is not only for